and welcome to day 21 of Bedtime Welsh. Hello, big hellos from us. Almost completely forgot about it today. Busy having Easter Sunday and haven't been on screens and only just now realised that, of course, we still need to do Bedtime Welsh. So what have we got to say? We've got to say a big happy birthday, Penblwydd hapus, to Eric, who's 7 today. Penblwydd hapus, Eric. Happy birthday. And that's Luke's brother, and he's 7 today, and Luke was 9 just a couple of days ago. So that's a lot of birthday parties in one house, isn't it? And what else has been going on? Idris has done really well. Idris has been doing the big sentence. So well done, Idris.
Well done.
Da iawn. As you can see, we've been throwing balls around today, so that's the main reason we forgot Bedtime Welsh. So a little bit of Welsh, actual Welsh. We're going to teach you today how to say or, as in this or that. So or is nay, nay. So the Welsh for or is
nay,
nay. Da iawn. So how about or do you want?
Neu wyt ti isio?
Neu wyt ti isio? Or do you want to play?
Neu wyt ti isio dweud?
Play.
Oh.
Neu wyt ti isio chwarae? Or do you want something interesting?
Neu wyt ti isio rhywbeth diddorol?
Neu wyt ti isio rhywbeth diddorol? And last one for today, or do you want to speak Welsh?
Neu wyt ti isio siarad Cymraeg?
Neu wyt ti isio siarad Cymraeg? Da iawn, and hwyl am y tro!
Ta!